Ready for that 4 for 20.
Coming up, it's the Dinosaur Burps! Are you ready? Huntington, prepare to get mind fucked.
Your age group.
Oh, shit. Man, what's wrong with you? You okay? What's everybody doing? Holla, 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 holla. Is everybody still outside? Holla, 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 holla. Was that good to go, or you need me to do more? Holla, holla, holla. Good to go? Holla, holla, holla. Where's everybody at? Holla, 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 holla. But listen, on some real shit, man, I just want to say I love all y'all, man, because Sunday night, y'all got to work in the morning, but I'm not going. But check it out. But y'all here, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all came here, people drove here from other cities. Baby, chocolate thunder, love you, baby. You know what I'm talking about? But no, seriously though, man.
And unlovable looks me.
Cause on some real shit, a lot of musicians, a lot of rappers and artists, man, they don't get the recognition.
Lovable looks me.
It's a lovely, baby. But listen, I just want to say, man, thank y'all, man. And if you're going through struggles, like, you know what I mean, you're having hard times this year, or, you know, you go through hard times, just remember, change is gonna come. You know what I'm saying? A change will come eventually. You just gotta stay faithful and stay positive. You know what I'm saying? And Brian, I love you, bro. You know, you behind the scenes a lot, but you got the best sound in the tri-state. You got the best sound, period, dog. Real shit.
Hell yeah.
But with that, I just had to catch my breath. I'm gonna keep it real, man.
There's not much time left for this place. But before we all go, my man Dude and DJ Squeezel are gonna melt your fucking faces off. One last time. One last time. One last run. Cause this is how we do. Since 2009. True. So we're gonna say goodbye to you. We are and were and forever will be the family conspiracy. No matter who's on stage, it's all one giant family. Whether it's Drake or Paul or DJ
Rocket.
Becky! Becky! Betty! Bonnie! Betty! Jackie!
You forgot Henry.
Henry! Bonnie! Becky!
What's track 14? What is track 14?
If you smoke
Hold on, if I gotta say something, what do I do?
Don't speak.